Ladies and gentlemen, Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2015 Land Rover Sport, finished in beautiful Fuji White with Espresso Oxford Perforated Leather. You can see this car is in excellent shape, very well optioned. Seats, excellent shape. This vehicle, we sold it to one of our clients a few years ago. She had it for a significant amount of time and maintained it well, traded it back in. It does have the Vision Convenience Package, telematics, SOS emergency call, breakdown call, remote subscription, soft door close, surround camera system, premium exterior paint, sliding panoramic roof with power blinds. It has a driver assist package, traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning, perpendicular parallel park with park exit 360. Inside's nice shape too. Steering wheel. This car does have 119,000 miles on it. Also has in control remote and protect. Headlights nice and clear. This has a V6 supercharged. Start it up for you real quick. All right, if you're looking for a clean Range Rover Sport with good service history that's pretty inexpensive for what it is, give us a call, 858-382-1319. You can find the video images on our website at iconiccoach.com, as well as a Carfax report. You can also submit your credit application there as well. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a call.